Hello friends, welcome to today's session. Last time we had done the addition magic. I hope you have done it, you have practiced it, and you must have shown it to somebody else. Well, today we'll start with a very new topics. The topics is very important, and first we'll understand what is the complement of a number. The complement of a number. So the concept of complement of a number is very important so that we can do many other problems, many other Vedic calculations will depend upon this complement of a number. So let us understand this first. The complement of a number. The complement of a number is that the difference of any number from its nearest base. Base means 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, etc. The difference of any number from its nearest base is known as the complement. Well, so for example, if I ask you what is the complement of 8, now what is the nearest base of 8? Nearest base of 8 is 10. So if you find out 10 minus 8, difference of 8 from 10 is equal to 2 is the complement of 8. Complement of 8 is 2. Similarly, if I ask you what is the complement of 7, obviously you will say 10 minus 7 is 3. What is the complement of 1? It's 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. That means for any number, difference of that number from its nearest base is known as its complement. Well, if I take another number which is a bigger number, say a 2-digit number. For a 2-digit number, say for example you want to find out the complement of 67. What will be the complement? Its nearest base is what? 100. Well, so 100 minus 67 is 33 by subtraction. So 33 is the complement of 67, right? If I ask you what is the complement of 42, it's 100 minus 42 is equal to 58. You have to understand this concept very clearly. And another one, what is the complement of 95? It's 100 minus 95 is equal to 5. Well, this way we should know what is the complement of a number. But in all these cases, how we are getting the complement? Let me show in another example, a bigger number. Say it's 676. What is the complement of 676? So what is its nearest base? The nearest base is 1000. 3 zeros. So 1000 minus 676 is what? 324, right? How do you get it? Subtracting 676 from 1000. What is the complement of 582? It's 1000 minus this is equal to 418. And the last one, what is the complement of 996? 1000 minus 996 is how much? It's 4. The complement is 4. We may also write here 004. Right? So in all these cases, we find the complement is the number, what is the difference of any number from its nearest base like 10, 100, 1000, etc. But how do you get it? We get it by subtracting it. For subtraction, you have to do the subtraction. Now, the question is, can we make it little easier without doing this subtraction? Yes, we can do it. Probably you can try that. For example, if I take a number like, for example, we take another number here, 5876. And here the base is 10,000 So the answer will be, here you have to do subtraction. Sometimes the subtraction is a lengthy process that you are going to do. But we can do it more easily by using a sutra in Vedic mathematics. And that sutra is known as Nikhilam. Nikhilam Sutra. Nikhilam. This Nikhilam, complete sutra is Nikhilam Navataskaram Dasata. Nikhilam Navataskaram Dasata. You must have seen in your list of sutras which you've shown in your initial sessions, that sutra Nikhilam Navataskaram Dasata. But Nikhilam Navataskaram Dasata, in English we call it as all from 9, last from 10. All from 9, last from 10. And remember that this is a very, very important sutra which will help us in doing many problems, many Vedic calculations. All from 9, last from 10. Now let us see, by using this particular sutra, how we can make our subtraction easier or to find out the complements easier. Now if I told you that the complement of 67 is how much? It's 100 minus 67, that is 33. So here you have done actual subtraction. Means what you have done? 10 minus 7 is 3, 1 carry, 6 plus 1 7, 10 minus 7 3, and all that. This entire process is done here. But our sutra says all from 9, last from 10. Whenever you have to subtract like this from its base, we need not do all from 9, last from, need not do this actual subtraction that we do. What you will do is all from 9, last from 10. Here last number is this 7. Now last from 10. Last from 10 means subtract this last number from 10. So 10 minus 7 is what? 3. And all from 9. All other numbers from 9. So 9 minus 6 is 3. So even without subtraction, we have found this number. In fact, we have subtracted 67 from 100. How? All from 9, last from 10. Last number from 10. 10 minus 7. We have written 10 minus 7 is 3. And we have written all from 9. All other numbers from 9. 9 minus 6 is 3. So it's 33. All from 9, last from 10. That means what? We can find out the complement of any number by this all from 9, last from 10. Let me see another example. Say the complement of 85. If I use all from 9, last from 10, last from 10 means 10 minus 5 is 5, and all from 9, 9 minus 8 is 1. So 15 is the complement. And in fact, this is the complement because 100 minus 85 is 15. So we used this all from 9, last from 10, and we have found out the complement. Let me find out another complement. Say for example, we want to find out the complement of 237. 237. So all from 9, last from 10, 10 minus 7 is 3, 9 minus 3 is 6, 9 minus 2 is 7. That's all. We are not to go through that traditional process of doing subtraction. We can do from all from 9, last from 10, the complement is 763. Similarly, if I take another number, a bigger number, say for example, we want to find out the complement of 5, 6, 7, 3, 8. So what will happen? 10 minus 8 is 2, 9 minus 3 is 6, 9 minus 7 is 2, 9 minus 6 is 3, 9 minus 5 is 4, and that is the complement. And in fact, you see, if you total this, you get 1 and then 5 zeros. So it's actually the difference from its nearest base. This minus this is this, and this is the complement, right? So that means what? By using this all from 9 last from 10, we can very well quickly find out the complement of any number. In the course of our various calculations in Vedic mathematics, we will be required to find out the complement, and we will find out the complement just like this, by using this all from 9 last from 10. That in fact tells us one thing. It tells us one very important thing, is that the difference of any number from 10, 100, 1000, how do you find it? We find it by using all from 9 last from 10. So if I ask you to find out the difference of 100 with 84, you are not to do that actual method, traditional method of subtraction. You will straight away write 10 minus 4, all from 9 last from 10. 10 minus 4 is 6, 8, 9 minus 8 is 1, and 16 is the subtraction, right? Similarly, if you want to find out the complement of say 37, how do you do? 100 minus 37 is how much? 10 minus 7 is 3, 9 minus 3 is 6. No subtraction method, that 10 minus 7 is 3, then 1 carry, 3 plus 1, 4 plus 10 minus 4, 6, like that. No, you can simply write down the answer, the difference of any number from its nearest base by this method. If I want to find out 1000 minus 382, how will you write? 10 minus 2 is 8, 9 minus 8 is 1, 9 minus 3 is 6. That is the difference. Got it? If I take another example, 58732, its difference from this much, 1 lakh. So how do you do it? 10 minus 2 is 8, 9 minus 3 is 6, 9 minus 7 is 2, 9 minus 8 is 1, 9 minus 5 is 4. That's all. And see, this is the actual subtraction from 1 lakh. Minus 5872 is 41268, right? So that's how we can make the find out the difference of any number from 10, 100, 10,000, 1 lakh, etc. like this. But if we use this thing, then there is one very practical thing we can find out. And that practical thing is this, that suppose we have gone to a shop and have purchased goods worth, say for example, 54 rupees 31 paise. Now how much you need to take back from the shopkeeper? So that actually you have got to say, for example, you have got a 100 rupees note and you give that 100 rupees note, what you will be getting back? It is actually the difference from 100 rupees, difference of 54.31 from 100 rupees. So there you may have to calculate it, you have to subtract it. Yeah, the subtraction is very easy, all from 9 last from 10, 10 minus 1 9, 9 minus 3 is 6, decimal in its own place, 9 minus 4 is 5, 9 minus 5 is 4, and that is the difference. If you see, this is actually the difference of 54 rupees 31 paise from 100 rupees, right? So it's actually 45.69. If I extend it further, suppose we have gone to a shop and you have given do it one more, you have to pay rupees 82 rupees and 35 paise. You have given a 100 rupees note, and what is how much money you need to take? You can just say like that, 5, 5, 10, 9 minus 3 is 6, 9 minus 2 7, 9 minus 8 1. That is the difference of this 82.35 from rupees 100, and you have found it easily. Remember it, decimal will remain in its own place without any change. Similarly, if I ask you, what is the difference of say rupees 582 rupees and 36 paise from 1000. How do you get it? 10 minus 6 is 4, 9 minus 3 is 6, decimal in its own place, 9 minus 2 is 7, 9 minus 8 is 1, 9 minus 5 is 4, 41764. That's all. It's quite simple. So you can subtract any number in decimal from say 100 rupees, 1000 rupees, 10,000 rupees, like that. Another example of say you require to subtract 4,538 rupees and 96 from 1 0 0 0 0 and 0 0. So subtraction is easier here. 10 minus 6 is 4. 9 minus 9 is 0, decimal in its own place, 9 minus 8 1, 9 minus 3 is 6, 9 minus 5 is 4, 9 minus 4 is 5. Right? So 5461.04. That means that this way you can subtract any decimal number from 100, 1000, 10,000 like that easily by using the formula of all from 9, last from 10. Well, this is what is the concept of complement. Whatever you have learned today is that the concept of complement. Complement is what? It is a number of any number, its difference from its nearest base like 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, etc. And how we can find out? Actually, it is a subtraction. That subtraction can be done quite easily by using the formula all from 9, last from 10. All from 9, last from 10. Last is 10, 10 minus 6 is 4, but all others from 9, 9 minus 9 is 0, 9 minus 8 is 1, 9 minus 3 is 6, 9 minus 5 is 4, 9 minus 4 is 5. So all from, by using all from 9, last from 10, you can find out the subtraction. So you can very easily subtract numbers from 10, 100, 1000, etc. Not only the numbers, even the decimal numbers we can subtract from any number. With that today, this concept of complement must be clear to you today. And the next time we will do actual subtraction. How we can do high speed subtraction. Quickly, how can I do? We are doing subtraction. Subtraction is easy, but by using Vedic mathematics, the subtraction will become far more easier. It will be much more quicker. You can do the subtraction very quickly without any difficulty at all. So today this much is okay for the day in this session. Next time we'll see you with the next topics of subtraction in our next session. Thank you very much. All the best. Take care.